Hi friends, it's Arika. Welcome back. So I'm super excited for today's video because we are going to be DIYing a Father's Day gift for Derek. This is his first Father's Day. Technically, last year was his kind of first Father's Day since Caius was in my belly. I was pregnant. But this one is official. Last year he wanted a grill, by the way. No, you're not getting a grill. Good try. Anyways, so we're gonna be making some coasters. What I want to do is take Caius's handprints and footprints and put them on the coasters and kind of seal them with epoxy. Hopefully that'll work. And then I also want to take some family pictures and just some pictures with Derek and Caius and seal those onto the coasters as well. So he'll be getting that for Father's Day. And then I also got him a water bottle that says Rad Dad. I'll put a picture in here somewhere. It's from Carrie Locker on Instagram. She's a lactation consultant and a postpartum nurse. And I saw these water bottles. I just thought they were so cool because they're all black, so Derek will love that. And then he's a rad dad, so so we're trying to keep it super simple for birthdays, holidays, and all that kind of stuff this year. So yeah, we're doing the water bottle and the coasters. And honestly, if you don't have the money or if you don't want to spend the money this year or ever, it's fine. Seriously, let the fathers in your life know how important they are. Let them know, how grateful you are for them, and that is truly enough. You don't need to go out and do all these crazy things. If you want to do that, if you're able to do that, that's great. I'm happy for you. But if you're not able to do that, or if you don't want to, like I said, don't feel the pressure to do so. Letting someone know how grateful you are for them is enough, I promise. Okay, so anyways, let me show you guys all of the supplies that I'll be using. Okay, so here's what we got. So paint. If you are wanting to do handprints and footprints like I am on your kids, then just make sure you get the washable, non-toxic kids paint. Mod Podge. If you do any type of DIYs, I'm sure you already know about this stuff. This is a staple for real. Polyacrylic. I think I might have said epoxy before. I don't really know what the difference is, but don't use that. Use this. And then you'll want some pictures for the coasters. My coasters are, I think, 4 inches by 4 inches, so I resized these to 3.9 inches, and they're still a little too big, so I'm going to have to kind of cut off some of the edges. But yeah, make sure you resize them to the size of your coasters. Also, with the pictures, I would recommend using just normal printer paper rather than photo paper. I'm not exactly sure how the photo paper would work, but I'm assuming that it wouldn't stick to the coasters as well as printer paper would. And then you'll need something, oh sorry, ignore these stains. You'll need something to brush on the Mod Podge and the polyacrylic, and then you'll need the coasters. Let me show you the coasters that I got. Okay, here are the coasters that I got. They're kind of like a slate rock, and they also come with a cute little holder too. So first you'll want to just start with cutting the pictures down to the correct size. Just make sure you take this part slow. You can obviously take off more, but you can't put any back onto the pictures. And then I'm going to actually round off of my edges. You guys do whatever you want. This is your project, but I'm just going to go ahead and round the edges on mine. Okay, perfect. That's great. So what I want to do is put some Mod Podge on the coaster, put this on, let it dry for a second, and then put Mod Podge on top of this to kind of seal it in. If you're wondering, Mod Podge is white, but it dries clear, so not a problem. Dude, I haven't used this in years. Can I even open this? Ugh. Okay, it's been a few minutes. This is pretty much dry for the most part. So now I'm gonna put the Mod Podge on top of this. This is kind of the part that freaks me out. I know it's gonna be okay, but I'm just worried that the ink is gonna run or whatever. So let's calmly do this. It's okay, let's do it. Just do a little bit. If you're a worrier like me, just do a little bit in the corner. See, it's fine. It's fine, girl. Just relax, my goodness. gonna let this dry, and now I'm gonna put the other pictures on the coasters. And I also just wanted to mention that when you put the Mod Podge on top of the pictures, make sure you're putting it on in the direction that you want. With the type of brush I was using, it was leaving streaks in mine, which was great for me because I actually kind of like the brush look. But if you don't like that, I'm sure you could probably use a different type of paintbrush or maybe even a small roller. Okay, while I wait for the second coat on this one to dry and the first coat on the other ones to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do Kaisa's part, I guess. Okay, I have the star of the show.
Kaius, are you ready to make a craft for your daddies? Are you ready to make a craft for your daddies?
Okay, I feel like his hand is probably gonna be the most difficult, so I think I'm gonna do that one second. Hi, Mart. Mart's in here too. Okay, Mart, I'm sorry. You gotta move, little guy. You got some stuff in your toes. You got some toe jam. You got some toe jam. What the heck? Okay. Good enough. Okay, I'm gonna paint your cuts. What does that feel like? Does it tickle?
Yeah.
Let me see your cuts. Let me see those. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Bam. Oh my god! I think that's probably as best as I'm gonna get. Buddy, that's so cute! You did such a great job for your daddy! Now for the hand. Just a little fun fact about him, he's very sensitive about his hands. Like, he hates putting on clothes. He hates when you, like, pull his hand, touch his hand, anything like that. Wish me luck. No. Okay. Let's reach on. He just got all in his onesie. Okay, we're gonna redo.
Hold on, let me see.
What is that? What is that? Okay, sweetie. Ready? Is that silly? Look at that. That's supposed to be your hand. But I don't know what happened. That's the final product. I'm leaving it because... Okay, hold on. Let me wipe off his hand and then I'll talk. Okay, so you know how I told you guys that I am a perfectionist? Since having a baby, there have been so many moments where I've just had to tell myself that it is what it is and, like, it's not going to be perfect. And I don't mean to get all serious and everything, but, like, seriously, I'm going to just leave this little handprint as is because I feel like these types of gifts, that's the beauty of them, is that they're not perfect, but this is exactly how it turned out, and so because of that, it is perfect. Like, I think that Derek would appreciate it regardless. He would love it if it was a perfect little handprint, but honestly, I think that he's gonna like this even more because he's gonna hear the story of me trying 3 times to get his handprint, and it's not gonna be perfect, but it's there. We tried, and like I said, I think that he's gonna love that even more, honestly.
We're gonna laugh and laugh and laugh and laugh. There's my baby. You did such a good job making a craft for Daddy. You sure did. Do you like it? Hey, Kawhi, do you like it? That one's your handprint? Look at your footprint. Oh my goodness. You did such a good job, sweeties. I'm so proud of you. You did such a good job. Thank you for helping me. I love you. I love you, sweet.
Alright, now I'm just doing a second coat of Mod Podge on the pictures. Now, when you do Mod Podge on the handprint and the footprint, if that's what you're doing, on the first coat, do not drag your paintbrush. I think the paint would probably run. Instead, just dab the Mod Podge on top of the paint, and then with the second coat, you could go ahead and drag it just like how you did for the pictures. And lastly, you can go ahead and put on your polyacrylic. I didn't show it on camera just for time's sake, but I did apply a first coat. So in total, I did 2 coats of Mod Podge and 2 coats of polyacrylic. And here are the final results. You guys, I am so in love with these coasters. Not only do I think that we're going to use them for a long time, but I know Derek is absolutely going to love them, and they're going to be such great statement pieces for when people come over as well. And to top it all off, all of this was done under $30 too. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Father's Day to all of the amazing fathers out there. I hope you guys enjoy celebrating those awesome dads in your lives. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!